Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, returning to our tropical weather analysis for this Friday through Monday, September 11 to 14, 2020. And this is brought to you by Typhoon2000.com, the Philippines' first website on tropical cyclones. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest graph set. Beginning today, Friday, until tomorrow, Saturday, the once LPA, the shallow low pressure area, which is located east of Bicol region, has dissipated during the past 24 hours and is now just a part of the surface trough, bringing some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms across the Bicol region, southern Quezon, portions of western Visayas, Sulu Archipelago, and Mimaropa. So expect some flash floods when we have a heavy downpour generated by these localized thunderstorms, as well as lightning strikes. The rest of the Philippine Islands will remain fair, but with some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms will also be expected, particularly across Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Outside of the Philippine area of responsibility, we have here an active low pressure area 97W, which is currently at a higher chance of becoming a tropical cyclone, but it looks like this system will be absorbed by a passing stationary front, part of this frontal system located over the northern part of the East China Sea as it moves towards the southern islands of Japan. And we have here a couple of surface troughs, which is not expected to intensify for the next 24 hours. So far, that's the latest from our graph set. As we look at our fast animation, you can see here the LPA decaying within that surface trough, but as the afternoon and evening progresses, you can see here the developing localized thunderstorms in most parts of the country, particularly over Metro Manila. And here comes the active LPA moving towards the north. As we look at our zoom-in satellite animation, you can see here, as the afternoon progresses, some increasing thunderstorm activity can be observed in most parts of the country. And look at the wide swath of localized thunderstorms affecting Mindanao, Visayas, and southern Tagalog provinces, as well as the western sections of Luzon, and also in areas like Palawan. And as we look at our 3-day wind, rain, and pressure forecast from ECMWF, by tomorrow afternoon, again expect some afternoon or evening rain showers and thunderstorms across the Philippine Islands. And on Sunday, same situation, but we have here, based on the ECMWF model, a developing weak or shallow low pressure area to the northwest of Palau. We are going to observe that. And on Monday, that LPA will track towards the eastern sections of the Visayas. So the LPA will be somewhere here, the shallow one. It's not a moderate LPA, just a shallow one, but we are going to observe that for possible strengthening of this LPA. So you can see here some localized northeasterly wind flow affecting eastern Visayas, Bicol region, where some afternoon or evening thunderstorms will be expected on Monday afternoon or evening. Okay, so there you go. That's the latest for this Friday until Monday, and we'll be returning again on Monday to give you more weather update. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always. Happy weekend to all. The hashtag WeatherWiser, hashtag TyphoonWiser, and thank you for watching our weather channel.